Alright, we're making this video for people out there who ask how to properly do the timing chain service on this SR20. If it's in the car, it's a lot harder than doing it outside because of the oil pan and everything around the engine. But this is how I usually do them. I put the mark here atop that center, line it up. Then I put markings on the upper chains. You can see there's one right here. Put like about the middle. That one goes there, as well as this one. And then we have this one. And on the side. I put a magnet and I leave this one loose because there's a bolt here that needs to be tightened on the timing cover. Then the other one gets put to the top here, like this. Then when you take it off, you just gotta very carefully remove all these components. We have all the timing components. Sure that one's lined up right there with the little green dot. And then, yeah, so you can replace your guides, your tensioner, this little seal that always goes out, very important to replace. Other than that, that's basically how you install it and service it. Once all the new components are installed, put the silicone on the timing cover, new silicone here, torque these Allen specialty bolts to 18 foot-pounds, I believe. Once everything's sealed, timing covers mounted properly, then you can install this guy. This is the cam sensor. Make sure you put that mark like this. Go through the side, but that's after you install new tensioner with the gasket and all the marks. So yeah, let's install it and see how it looks like right after everything's properly tightened. So to be continued. Let's keep going.